Hey, Ron Eaglin here. I want to show off NaViViewer. I've already started the program, but what we'll do really quickly is let's grab a map. I have a catalog of maps to choose from here. I'm going to grab one from Carolina. I'm just going to pick one. Some of these don't have scale set, so let's go to ones that do. I know New England does. Well, let's see, that'll work. Okay, so now that should pull up loading the Chatfield Hollow map. That is an orienteering map, which will work very well. As you can probably see, I'm going to zoom in. And let's go ahead and look at some of the features that we have here. One of which you can see is there's a compass. The compass is in the lower left. The compass is in the upper right. You can make it smaller or larger. You can see that you can zoom in a lot, and I can move that scale bar around a little bit there, so that you don't have it in your way or it's going the direction you want to go. But here's a really cool thing. As you can see, north is pointing one way, and my map needle right there, and let's go ahead and collapse that a little bit so it's easier. And that map needle, which is pointing on the north of the map, is pointing a different direction. Well, good orienteering practice says you true the map, and I can do that by just simply tapping that true button, and now they're both pointing the same direction, meaning that my direction to travel is the direction that the phone is pointing, which is a very nice thing to do and also great map practice. I did not set the declination, but I can also tap. If you look in the upper corner, you can see me going from magnetic to true north. I can go down here and I can actually set that declination. Let's make that, I don't know what the declination, well, the 150 might be a bit much. Let's make it 10 degrees. And now those two will diverge slightly, and I can move back and forth between the two. This really just kind of makes it easy. The one thing that I like about this application, which makes it easy for me, let's go ahead and collapse the menu again, which makes it easy for me, is that if those maps are a higher resolution map, and it's on paper, well, my 60-plus-year-old eyes have a hard time seeing it. But if I stick that sucker on the phone, I can see all those little black dots which represent those rocks and true the map to the direction I'm going. Notice if I shift directions here, I can then change the direction very quickly in the map. Pretty cool tool. Also, it integrates very well with PunchMonkey, which will be another video. Okay. Hope to see you using the app. It's a fun one.